Excuse me, could you help me? I'm a bit lost.
Sure, no problem. Where are you trying to go?
I'm trying to find the outlet. I thought it was nearby, but I can't seem to locate it.
Ah, the outlet. You're actually pretty close. Do you see that large intersection over there?
Yes, I see it.
Great. So, you'll want to head straight to the intersection. Once you get there, take a right onto Main Street.
Okay, right onto Main Street. How far is it from there?
It's not too far. You'll walk down Main Street for about 2 blocks. You'll pass a big park on your left. The park is pretty hard to miss. It has a fountain in the middle and a lot of benches around it.
A park on the left with a fountain. Got it. And then after the park?
Keep going until you see a large brick building on the right side of the street. That's the outlet. You should see some signs pointing to it as well.
Oh, that doesn't sound too far at all. I just keep going straight, turn right onto Main Street, past the park, and the outlet will be on my right.
Exactly. It should take you about 10 minutes to walk there, maybe a bit longer if you stop to enjoy the park.
Perfect. Thank you so much for the directions. I've been wandering around for a while trying to find it.
No problem at all. It's easy to get turned around in this area, especially if you're not familiar with it.
Yeah, I'm visiting for the first time, so I'm still trying to get used to the layout of the city. It's bigger than I expected.
It can be a bit overwhelming at first, but once you get used to it, it's actually pretty easy to navigate. Are you here on vacation or for work?
I'm here on vacation, just exploring the city. I heard the outlet has some great shops, so I wanted to check it out.
Oh, it definitely does. You'll find a lot of good deals there. They have a mix of high-end brands and more affordable options, so there's something for everyone. Are you looking for anything in particular?
I'm mainly looking for some new clothes, maybe a few gifts to take back home. I've heard the prices here are pretty good compared to where I'm from.
They really are. A lot of people come here just for the shopping. If you're looking for clothes, there are a few stores inside the outlet that you shouldn't miss. There's a great store called Trendy Threads, which has a wide selection of both casual and formal wear. And if you're into sportswear, Fit Gear is the place to go.
That sounds exactly like what I'm looking for. I'll definitely check those out. Are there any good spots to eat nearby? I'm planning to grab a bite after shopping.
Absolutely. There are a couple of great places near the outlet. If you're in the mood for something quick and casual, there's a cafe called Bistro on Pine. They have excellent sandwiches, salads, and coffee. It's just a few blocks from the outlet. After you finish shopping, continue down Main Street, and you'll come to Pine Avenue. Turn left there, and the cafe will be right on the corner.
That sounds perfect. I love a good cafe. What's the atmosphere like there?
It's cozy and relaxed, with both indoor and outdoor seating. The outdoor area is nice if the weather's good. They also have free Wi-Fi, so it's a great place to sit and relax for a bit.
That sounds exactly like what I need after some shopping. So after the outlet, I continue down Main Street, turn left on Pine Avenue, and the cafe will be on the corner.
You've got it. And if you're in the mood for something a bit more substantial, there's also a nice Italian restaurant called Bella Italia. It's just a block further down from the cafe. Their pasta and pizza are fantastic.
Italian food is always a good idea. Maybe I'll have dinner there later. I'm glad I asked you. It sounds like there are some great options around here.
Definitely. This area has a lot to offer. Are you staying nearby?
Yes, I'm staying at a hotel about 15 minutes away by bus. I'm still figuring out the public transport system here.
The buses here are pretty reliable. There's a bus stop just a block from the outlet, and it should take you right back to your hotel. Just make sure to check the schedule, especially in the evening, as they don't run as frequently then.
That's good to know. I'll keep an eye on the time. I've heard the city has a good public transport app. Do you recommend using it?
Yes, the app is very handy. It shows real-time bus schedules, routes, and even tells you when the next bus is coming. It's a lifesaver if you're not familiar with the area.
I'll definitely download that. It sounds really useful. Thanks for the tip.
Anytime. And if you ever need directions again, don't hesitate to ask someone. People here are generally pretty friendly and willing to help.
That's comforting to know. I really appreciate your help today. It's always nice to meet friendly locals when you're exploring a new place.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your visit to the outlet and the cafe. I'm sure you'll have a great time.
Thanks. I'm sure I will. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.